Today we're going to show you guys on how to be able to assemble the Aria pedicure chair. You do get the pedicure chair tab fully assembled like this. And what the assembly remaining will be for the back cushion, the arms, as well as the seat cushion. Now the tools that you will be needing, the only tool actually you'll be needing, will be a wrench this size. And the sizing of this wrench is just about 5/16. That could be able to fit this screw right here that you do get on this pedicure chair on it. And first thing first, what we do is we grab the pedicure chair's back, and once it's grabbed, then we want to go ahead and put it back onto where you see the locking mechanism is at. And you want to go ahead and make sure you get the screws screwed on. Those are the screws that we showed earlier. And same thing goes for the other side. You want to make sure that gets placed in directly to the hole. Line it up. And that will hold in its place. And once you go ahead and do that, then you want to go back in with the Allen wrench to tighten up. And same goes with the other one. Now you don't want to make it super tight because we want to go ahead and also put the cushioning in, the seat cushion on the pedicure. Then what you do after is you take the power plug of the chair down under and bring it down from here. And once you go ahead and do that, there is a plug internally that you want to go ahead and plug it in. Now, these power cables have numbers on them. The one on the back cushion itself, as well as the numbers on the pedicure top. What you want to do is you want to match up their numbers and have that plugged in. And once you do that, it should look like that. The same number should be plugged in same place. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and plug it into an outlet to go ahead and be able to recline the back of this pedicure chair all the way into flat position, like that. And once you get it in a flat position, like in an open area enough, then you have room to place the seat cushion. Now it has two screws right underneath the pedicure chair. And what you want to do is then you want to place it into the hole, line it up, then trace it back with your hand, find the screw fill-in area, then you can be able to screw it on. There we go. You want to see, make sure that gets placed back in. Same goes with the other side. And once you go ahead and do that, then you want to bring in the arms. Now, this part you want to make sure when you're putting in, you're putting these in the correct spots. I'll show you right now. Right here on the side that you see, you want to make sure you pull the leveler up. And once you go ahead and press it up, you want to make sure go ahead and tilt it while pressing that up. Get that in a position, locking it. And you do this in about 80 degrees, push it all the way, and you hear that locking sound. And you'll be able to see that it's in position. Same goes with the other side. You want to angle it and get those into the correct hole. Pull that up, push it in, and lock in its place. Now, last but not least, this would be the covers for the underneath the arm. What you want to do is you want to put that screw in. And then place these covers underneath the pedicure chair arm. Now these are optional. They can be placed or not, but it's nice to be able to place them in. That could be used for multiple purposes, like hanging any purses or any of that. Same goes with the cover underneath of it. It is for cosmetic purposes. And that's how you're able to assemble the Aria pedicure chair, as you could see.